setting is often associated with a list of desired objectives set at start of a new year. However, achieving set goals without a plan is harder than many want to admit, especially those who are still stuck in the same place when December rolls around again. These never moved from desire through plan to targeted action. This need not be so. This book comprises simple steps of a process to help you go from where you are currently to where you want to be any time of the year. Wisdom is the principal thing. When you use this simple goal setting and achievement process to accomplish one desire, however small, use it for another and the next, until who you become is not just a mural on your wall, but living proof that we can have all we desire in life. To learn how to set and accomplish goals, read the ebook 5 Steps to Create the Life You Desire. To purchase the book, go to www.enduringwealthcoach.xyz. #GoalSettingWorks.